Trains and boats and planes were passing by. They made a trip to Paris or Rome, to someone else, but not for me. The trains and the boats and planes took you away, away from me. We were so in love and high above. We had a star to wish upon which, when dreams came true, but not for me. The trains and the boats and planes took you away, away from me. Trains and boats and planes took you away, but every time I see them I pray. And if my prayer can cross the sea, the trains and the boats and planes will bring you back, back home to me.
Mm-hmm.